Now we continue with the part 3 of this chapter, Fair Play. Days passed and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. One of his fine pair of bullocks died and he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock died within a month. The meaning of this paragraph is, days passed. So many days are passed and as ill luck would have it. Ill luck would have it means unfortunately Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. Tight spot means a difficult situation, a difficult condition. One of his fine pair of bullocks. Algu has a fine pair of bullocks and it will be died, and he sold the other pair of bullocks to Samju Sahu, who was the cart driver of the village, and due to his understanding was that Sahu would have to pay the price of the bullock within a month's time. And what happened after that, the bullock will be died within a month, and the Algu was unable to pay the price of that bullock in a month. And the next paragraph, 10th, is several months after the bullock's death. Algu reminded Sahu of the money he had not paid yet. Sahu got very annoyed. I cannot pay you a penny for the rest bees you sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin. I have a bullock. Use it for a month and then return it to me. No money for the dead bullock, he said angrily. Several months have passed also, and after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Samju Sahu that he had to pay the price of the bullock which he had brought it from Algu. Sahu got very annoyed. Annoyed means angry. I cannot pay you a penny. He said that I will not give you a single money for that rest piece you sold me because it is died within a month. He brought us nothing but ruin. I have one bullock. You have one choice, that you have to use it for a month and then return it to me, because that bullock was died in a month and I have one bullock. You have to use it for a month and then return it to me. I will not pay you any money, a single penny or a single money for the dead bullock, he said in an angrily manner. Paragraph 11th. Algu decided to refer the case to the Panchayat. For a second time in a few months, preparations for holding the Panchayat were made and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. The meaning of this paragraph means Algu decided that the case should be referred to the Panchayat. And for the second time within a few months, Algu is there in the Panchayat and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. Next paragraph. The Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head Panch. I will abide by his decision. Again the Panchayat was held under the banyan tree. Algu stood up and said that the voice of the Panch is just like the voice of God, and Sahu has to nominate the name of the head Panch and everyone will be abide by. Abide means to accept. Everyone has to accept his decision. Next paragraph. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Jumman. Sahu has to nominate one name who will become the head Panch, and he has proposed the name of Jumman. And after hearing the name of Jumman, Algu's heart sank. Algu's heart sank means he became very afraid and he turned pale. But what could he do? Next paragraph. The moment Jumman became head Panch, he realized his responsibility as judge and the dignity of his office. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? He thought and thought, no, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. He thought and thought. No, he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking truth. Samju Sahu knew that Algu and Jumman were not fast friends. They became the enemy of each other. So he will take the chance of this, and he thought and thought he must not allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking truth, and he will do the He will do a just and fair judgment of this case. Both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. They were cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. Algu and Sahu stated their cases in their panchayat and they were both cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. Then Jumman stood up and announced, "In our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability." Disability means it will not suffer from any type of disease or any disability. It will be perfect. It was perfectly fine. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it. Algu could not contain his feelings. He stood up and said loudly over and over again, "Victory to the panchayat, this is justice." Because Algu has taken the decision in favor of, and the God lives in the voice of the Panch. He also said that the God lives in the voice of the Panch. He has taken the fair decision. He does not make any partial decision on that case. Next paragraph is, soon after Jumman came to Algu, embraced him and said, "Since the last panchayat, I had become your enemy. Today I realized what it meant to be a Panch. A Panch has no friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity." Algu embraced his friend and wept, and his tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. Soon after, Jumman came to Algu, embraced him and said, "Since the last panchayat, I had become your enemy." In the case of aunt, Jumman had become the enemy of Algu, but now, today, he had become the friend. Today, he realized that what it meant to be a Panch, because he was on the position of Panch. And a Panch has no friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. So the statement is written in this paragraph that let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. So sums up the story best. And Algu embraced his friend and wept, and his tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. And they both were, Algu and Jumman were fast friends, and their bond of friendship became very strong. So this is a story about Algu and Jumman. They were the best friends, and after, in both the cases, when they all both have taken the fair and fine decision in the cases, they will become the fast friends again, and the bond of friendship become very strong. Okay, this was the story, and you all have learned more from this story. That what you have learned, that in the path of truth and justice, you have to take fair and just decision. Not you will not take the sides of friendship. If there is a friend on the other side, you will have to take the true and fair decision, not for the sake of friendship, because the Panch or the judge has no friend nor enemy. So you have to take the fair and just decision. So thank you, students.